Navistar, Rakesh Maru. I'm General Manager Sales. Mahindra Navistar is a Mahindra and Mahindra Limited and Navistar US group company. It's a joint venture between Mahindra and Navistar of US, with 51% with Mahindras and 49% with Navistar of US. We are here with gas-based injection technology, which is the most modern technique, and we are here with BS4 vehicles. These are load as well as passenger.
Hello, I'm Kunal Shah from Nitin Cylinders Limited. We are a 100% subsidiary of Nitin Fire Protection Industries Limited, which is a Forbes awarded company, consecutive for 2 years, that is 2009 and 2010. Out here we are displaying natural gas CNG cylinders. You can see on the out here in this vehicle we have put the natural gas cylinder, which is very efficient. We are already supplying to many OEMs. We are a 9001 2008 company, and we are a 100% Indian company.
We are providing the after-sales support to all the alternate fuel technology. Now we are entering into the compressor business, like BRC fuel maker compressor. So in that we give the support to the all the car owners, where they don't wait for the queue.
As regards to the NGV 2010, it has been a very good opportunity for all of us to have an interaction with our buyers, with our other suppliers, and we think this was an excellent opportunity and endeavor on the part of NGV to have such exhibitions where we can interact and know our buyers, our customers, and our other associates.
I thank NGV exhibitors from Bangkok, for arranging this very excellent exhibition, second time in India. We participated in both in Delhi as well as in Mumbai, and the response from exhibitors are also excellent. We could bring the bigger machines.
The exhibition so far has been very, very interesting, and we've been attending to the conferences, and it's very interesting speeches from both from the government side and also from the different players in this field.
NGV, of course, needs to do, I feel personally, a little bit more to create awareness, because the alternative fuel industry, as I said, is a very growing industry, and it is still very untapped as such. Today in India, not more than 5% of the vehicle owners are using NGV products as an alternative for their vehicles.